Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn the concept of control component. You see, here we have one React application. Whenever I want to click on change name button, I want to change this to Dr. Vipin classes. But you see, I am not able to change. You see the coding, I show you coding, that we have a state in change name here like this. The name in this state is Dr. Vipin Tevatia. That is coming here, no problem at all. And this name I am passing as a I am passing this here to this name component as a property. Remember, I am passing this name to as a property. In this name, I am reading this property and setting it in on state as a name and passing this to here to display this value. No problem at all. Remember that here on click of this event, this button is available in parent component. This name is child component, change name it parent component. So I click on this button, I want to change the name. So what I did, whenever I click on this button event, then I change name to Dr. Vipin classes and I update the state. Remember, it's a very simple concept. I just update the state. But this state which I am passing here is not reflecting here on runtime. Why? Because this state is different. This state is different. Child state is different. Parent state is different. Both have their own states. So it's not possible to change the state of this at runtime. The problem is whenever I click on it, you see, if we inspect this code, I refresh it, I run it again, and I show you here that in go to component, I click on change name component. Here we have a Vipin Tevatia in a state, remember? And here in this component, we pass and change to Vipin Tevatia here also in property. Whenever I click on this button, you see, I click on this button. So this state is changed to classes. It's working properly. It changed to classes. You see, when I go to this name, this property is changed to Dr. Vipin classes, but this state doesn't change. Getting or not? Because this component have their own states. If a child component have their own state, this state cannot be changed at runtime because state is only initialized whenever the component execute once. So whenever we load it, then this get the value from the property. Then after I am clicking here, this property is accurately coming, but this state cannot change. That is the problem, because state change only once when we load a component. But I want to change the name. I want this name to be changed. For that, what I have to do, I have to remove this on state. Remember, this state I have to remove, and in place of this state I need to change to props like this. So directly I have to pass this value as a property and I have to remove it on state. Remember the concept here that whenever we remove the state of a local component or a child component and control the state of child component with the state of parent component, from here I am controlling the state. If I run it, you see, if I run it, it already changed. If I click, you see, Tevatia and I click on change, and you see automatically change, and we have here this Dr. Vipin classes. Here I click and you see in property we change and automatically this value change. Refresh it, click it, change. So what is this? Now this name component, remember this name component does not have its own state. It managed by the state of parent component. It is called controlled component. So now this name is not a normal component, it is controlled component. So whenever we have such kind of condition in React, we called it controlled component because this child component is controlled by the state of parent component. That's why this name is called controlled component. The same concept we are going to implement in our application which we are making on counter. There, whenever we are trying to click on a reset button, so reset button is not able to update the counter property because counter have its own state like name have a own state. So we will convert counter component as a controlled component like we convert this name component as a control component. Then the reset button will work properly. That we will do in next video to make reset button workable by the use of controlled component. That's all in this video. If you really learn anything from this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.